In this example, we're going to sketch the graph for one complete cycle of the function y equals 4 times cosine of negative 2x divided by 3. Let's make a list from the pattern of y equals a times cosine of the bx. And this problem is 4 times cosine of negative 2x over 3. So we write it as negative 2 over 3 times x. I'm going to list it as the a value equals 4, which is positive number. So no reflection. And the b value is negative 2 over 3. If b is less than 0, we're going to think about the odd and even function. Since the cosine is an even function, recall the even function, the f at negative x is the same as f of x. Therefore, the cosine of negative x is the same as cosine x. We can rewrite this function in the form of the positive b as y equals 4 times cosine of 2 over 3x. And in this form, we have a as the 4 and b as the 2 over 3. And ignore the original form of the function. From a and b, the amplitude is the absolute value of the a or absolute value of the 4 or 4. The reflection, no reflection for this one because the a value is 4, which is positive value. The period is computed by using the formula 2 pi divided by b. Our case, the b is in a fraction form. Just avoid complex fraction. I write it as 2 pi divided by 2 over 3, which is the same as 2 pi multiplied by 3 over 2. Simplify the number to be 3 pi. So in this case, the period is 3 pi. Next, we're going to compute the length of the 4 sub-intervals. It's computed by using the period divided by 4. In this case, it's 3 pi divided by 4. Next, we're going to do the 5 key points. The 5 key points starting from 0, and then the increment is the value 3 pi over 4. The next point is 3 pi over 4. Next can be 6 pi over 4, 9 pi over 4, and 12 pi over 4. So 5 key points to complete in one cycle. And 3 pi over 4 is the same as 3 pi. So 0, 3 pi over 4. The next is 6 pi over 4, which is the same as 3 pi over 2. The next one is 9 pi over 4. And the last one is 3 pi. So we get 5 points of the function y equals 4 times cosine of negative 2 over 3x. And to compute this, the quick way to do it, as the cosine function has typical 5 key point as 1, 0, negative 1, 0, and 1. So we're gonna put in as the coefficient 4 multiplied by the 5 key points, 4 multiplied by the numbers. And the number here is the value of the cosine at each 5 key points, at each point of the 5 key points. So the first one is 1, and then 0, negative 1, 0, 1. Simplify to be 4, 0, negative 4, 0, and positive 4. We can see that the maximum is 4, minimum is negative 4. Max, this is the max, and this is the minimum. The order pair will be 0, 4, 3 pi over 4, 0, 3 pi over 2, negative 4, 9 pi over 4, 0, and the last one is 3 pi, 4. We have the range of the graph from negative 4 to positive 4. The amplitude, which is the absolute value of the A, which is 4. The period is 3 pi. So the increment starting from 0 and make it into 4 equal subintervals. The first one 0, the next is 3 pi over 4, 3 pi over 2, 9 pi over 4, and 3 pi. the point at 0 gonna be 4. I'm gonna make the increment here as 2. One slot is 2. So this is 2, 4, and this is -2, -4. So at 0, the function value is 4. At 3 pi over 2, the function 3 pi over 4, the function value is 0. And then down to 0, back down to -4, up to the 0, and up to the +4. Connect all the point together.